Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start on freshly cleansed skin, that's essential. After washing, pat dry leaving slight dampness because the serum penetrates better on moist skin. Next, tone or spritz a mist to balance pH and prime the barrier. This helps active ingredients work. Dispense only 2 to 3 drops into your palm, then warm the serum between fingertips for 2 seconds. Press gently onto cheeks, forehead, and chin using tapping motions, don't rub. This first application seeds the treatment where you need it most. Once the initial layer is absorbed, evaluate your skin. If you need more coverage, add a second thin layer and wait 30 to 60 seconds for it to settle. Use smaller dots and lighter pressure on oily or acne-prone zones to prevent buildup. For targeted concerns like fine lines, press serum gently into areas instead of dragging. Make sure to avoid the eyelids. Instead, pat around the orbital bone and the upper lip where skin is thinner. This gradual, patient layering ensures efficacy without irritation. Finish by sealing the serum with a lightweight moisturizer to lock ingredients in, and in the morning always follow with broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect treated skin. Use the serum according to its recommended frequency. Some people apply nightly, others every other day, so track reactions and adjust. If you see mild tingling, it can be normal. Persistent redness, burning, or swelling means pause immediately. If irritation continues after a break, consult a dermatologist and reintroduce at a lower frequency only when calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.